There is a simple and enjoyable way to keep your brain sharp as you grow older. It's having a pet. But who helps more, a cat or a dog? A study that used the data of the US longest-running study of aging might have the answer. They looked into over 600 adults from 50 to 100 years old. These people had their brains tested for up to 13 years, checking things like memory, how they use words, and how fast they can think. They found that having a pet like a cat or dog seems to help keep your brain from getting rusty as you get older. They noticed that pet owners were better at cognitive and language functions, and those who walked their dogs often had even sharper minds. So why does having a pet make such a difference? The study points to stress. We all know stress isn't great for our brains, especially as we get older. But pet owners are generally more calm, particularly when their non-human buddies are around. Dog owners, for instance, have lower blood pressure when they are with their dogs. Cats, though, are a bit tricky. They can make you feel more relaxed or more stimulated, depending on the moment. Scientists noted that the mental workout you get from taking care of these pets varies. Dog owners have to be on their toes, always tuned into what their dog needs. Cats, on the other hand, are more low maintenance, which might be why dog owners get a bit more of a cognitive boost. Though that's not just about dogs. All pets enhance our well-being in their own unique ways. Cats, for example, were related to slower deterioration in verbal memory. It's interesting that the study didn't find much of a link between pet ownership and working memory. But for long-term memory and talking, pets seem to be pretty helpful. Another interesting point from the research is about attention. As we age, it can be harder to stay focused and switch our focus around. But caring for a pet is like a mini workout for your brain. You're always adjusting and reacting, and that keeps your cognitive skills in shape. The study also makes a case for including pets in plans for older adults. Maybe in healthcare or in the way we design living spaces for seniors. It suggests that including pets into senior living could lead to more engaging, stimulating environments, enhancing brain health and quality of life. So who's better for your brain, cats or dogs? Even though the study shows some differences, there are no clear winners, as each pet offers unique benefits that go far beyond companionship. It's more about keeping your mind active and healthy. This shows a simple yet powerful way our animal friends help us stay mentally sharp as we age. And it's a lovely reminder of the many ways our pets enrich our lives. Not just with cuddles and company, but with something that lasts. A sharper, healthier mind.